Now, the only thing we haven't tried, which worked on the Revolto, was replace the battery. And at this point, if I don't try it, I've got an ornament. £18,000 has gone down the drain because we've got a new battery. Here it is, a brand new Ferrari lithium-ion battery. I'm really hoping this is the reason why this car won't start. The reason we're trying this is, remember when we unplugged the brains of the battery, the hazard lights went off.
No hazard.
No hazards. So the hazards have stopped as soon as we disconnected the brains from the high voltage battery. And on top of that, the battery would actually charge. But as soon as we plugged back in the brains of the battery, it would refuse to do anything. So surely that indicates that the battery is the issue.